Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the bike safe and stable. Cool exhaust is essential. Once done, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental shorts. Next, access the muffler by removing any heat shields. Use a 10 mm socket and 3/8 ratchet. Spray penetrating oil on every baffle bolt and any springs. This reduces seized fasteners and makes the next steps predictable. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Small metal fragments can spring free when you loosen hardware. Once accessible, support the baffle with your free hand or a small wedge. You don't want it dropping suddenly. Begin loosening bolts or removing springs in sequence rather than all at once. This preserves alignment. If a bolt resists, apply more penetrating oil and use short, controlled torque bursts. This minimizes rounding. Then, gently pry the baffle free where the kin mates. Use care to avoid bending the muffler. If the baffle uses a collar or spacer, note orientation for reassembly versus replacement parts. You finish by cleaning mating surfaces and inspecting the baffle for corrosion or collapsed packing. Replace any gaskets, springs, or damaged parts before reassembly. Reinstall the baffle in reverse order, making sure spacers and collars match original orientation, and torque bolts to the manufacturer's spec to prevent leaks. Once done, reconnect the battery. If you hear rattles or detect exhaust leaks, immediately recheck bolt torque and inner sleeve alignment. Sometimes a loose spring or misaligned sleeve is the only issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.